What's up, man?
What's up? What's up?
Left me hanging. Left me hanging. Hey! It's track day, guys. Unfortunately, y'all know I don't have the Mustang to go to the track, so we are taking my buddy Luigi's Scat Pack with the 2018, 2019?
2020.
2020 Scat Pack to the track. You've already ran it, right?
Yeah, it was once.
He's taken it once. I've been to the track, never tracked my car, my V6. So it should be fun. I don't know, maybe I might get behind the wheel depending on how he feels. I don't know, depending on the accident I had, if he feels safe having behind the wheel. He has a drop-in K&N cold air intake, or just like, was it the drop-in filter?
Just the drop-in filter.
And the
full cat bag,
and the full Borla-Tag cat bag in the back. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, no tune as of right now. That's pretty much what we have. We have our other friend Sergio, Scat Pack boys. He's full bolt-on, he's tuned, long tubes, all that good stuff. So we're gonna see, maybe they might line up. We're all good buddies, so it's all good and fun. Bro, feels like we're about to go into a carnival ride with this. No, we avoid car washes unless they're touchless car washes. He said there was no time and he wanted the car clean. So this one time, we're gonna forgive him, just this one time for taking it through the car wash. Y'all know why, those brushes will scratch up your car, but I guess once a year it won't do any damage.
Bro.
Okay, so we came here because he said girls dry your car, and I was expecting like girls in bikini, or you know, like, and it's just like a chick just literally drying your car in shorts and a t-shirt. This guy got me excited for nothing, dude. I was expecting.
Hey man, you're married, man.
Oh, it's for the viewers, not for me. It's so they get something out of it. I'm not getting anything out of it. Gonna help the homie by throwing away all his trash. Trying to get this baby all dolled up for the track. Gotta look sexy, gotta look clean. Guys, you look good, you feel good, you perform good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He wants some. Oh. You gonna take that? Alright guys, Mustang for the win. Mopar equals slow car, baby. This thing's crispy, baby. Crispy clean. $11.25. Anybody want to bet he'll hit under 11? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! What do you got? I got the Charger. What do you got?
You don't know. You never know.
I know, but I got the Charger on this one. These cuz know what they're doing, dude. Jump. Alright guys, we got a little V6 action. We got a 3.7 versus the GMC Sierra. See the V6 gang can come through.
That's better, just in case.
$13, I think 84. Oh, the GMC got it. Oh, the Fox got this one, man. Woohoo! had no chance. Oh heck no, man. I could never. Call me a scaredy cat, but there is no way I'm gonna be racing a bike. That's just me. That truck can move. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys a quick walk around, see what we got here at the track. This is a 3.7 I was talking about. I don't know what mods he's running. If I see him, I'll ask him. This is a GMC he was running. Yeah, you know these guys mean business. Look at that, man. Crazy. Corvette. This Fox, man, this Fox is crazy. Got an SS over there. Another truck. I got the Charger. This cat was at the car wash next to us when Luis was washing his car. There goes Luis. Sergio, they're gonna go have the run right now. They had to go register. Should be a good run between them two. So we're gonna go ahead and try to get Luis versus Sergio. I got Sergio on this race. I love both of you. Luis, I love you. But I got Sergio on this one. Yeah, they both had a bad jump, man. Yeah, Sergio hit 13, Luis hit 1360, 1311, not bad. What happened, man? Huh?
We're gonna do it again.
You gonna go again?
Okay.
There we go.
What'd you get? 13.6, he got 13.11.
Alright, so I think both of them had a really bad jump on that one. I think Sergio, he got 13.11. I think he can probably break that 13 into a high 12. And I think Luis, if he has a better jump, he'll be able to hit the low 13s. Alright, so we're not gonna see a rematch between Luis and Sergio, but we're gonna race another Charger. Was it the plum purple? 392.
He's ready.
He's ready, dude.
He's like, fuck you.
I don't think you want to mess with that guy. Because we got a parachute and everything.
Yeah, when they got parachutes, they know they mean business. Right?
Yeah, you know they mean business.
know they mean business. They need that parachute for a reason, bro.
Yeah, we don't know unknown mods on this one. So let's see how this one plays out. This is the first time ever, like, I'm actually on the track. I've come to the track to be a spectator before, but actually, like, taking it, I'm pretty scared, man. Let's get that dub, baby. Alright, this guy looks a little bit more experienced. Alright, here we go. That bad. It wasn't that bad. Technically we won, guys. Watch. He's back there, so technically we won, alright? But if I just like edit it and then just like cut to the part where you won.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? We'll do that. We'll do that.
It's fucking dumb.
We'll do it for the sake of your Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Alright, got 12.7, guys. The first one? Also, the quarter mile, you got a 13. You were, okay, so you got a 13.2. The other guy got a 12. What was your first time? First time you got a 13.6. All right. Yeah, I know. I think you can still break that 13, dude. I think if you just launch a little bit better, I think you should be able to do good. Honestly think like Sergio and Luis are like on a mission to convince me to get a Charger, because guys, it just feels really, really stable. It feels really good. So we're just gonna let the car cool down a bit, and we're gonna try to get a few more passes. How's it going, man?
You ended up going to good city.
I went from a 13.6 because this was my first go, and then it went down to a 12.9.
Oh, you hit the 12? I knew you were gonna break the 12, not 13.
I got a 12.7. Yeah, I got a
Dude,
13.6.
I know I can do low 12s if I only had drags. Because I think Eddie
It's
did
sticky though. It's
Yeah.
sticky. Because I couldn't even do a burnout.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I was like, son of a bitch.
We got Sergio's car going on again. Let's go, Luis. Not bad, dude. For a stock Charger 12.8, that's not bad at all. Seven. Rip around 2. It's gonna be our last pass for tonight. For some reason, we're about to race Sergio, but they closed down the second lane, so it's all single way from here. No double races. So he's had about 3 passes. It's about to be the 4th one. Hopefully, we can get the better time on this one. Let's go, baby. I think that was the best run we've had. We'll check out the time right now, but the launch on that felt real good. I think it hooked really good. I think we got Sergio coming in hot. Let me see. Is that him? Or Sergio? 13.21. Nah, I felt it was a lot better, but I guess not. 109. Yeah, guys, so we came to play today with Mopar. We got 2 Scat Packs, another Scat Pack over there, the yellow wide body one. And we're gonna wrap it up already. It's already gonna be 6. Luis had a few good runs on his red Charger. His best time was 12.88. The last run was 13.2. Not bad. If you guys did enjoy this content, guys, you want to see more of this, let me know. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't yet. Make sure to hit the notification bell, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.